In front of me is Xiaomi 17 and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on Google section available here. Now tap on All Services. Scroll again and click on Autofill with Google. Choose Google Password Manager. Click on any password you wanna get rid of and enter your current screen lock. Then tap on the Delete button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!